Hello everyone, welcome to Algebra 51, Solving the Mysteries of Algebra. Today we're going to talk about section 28, we're talking about absolute values. Now, we'll start off with a small little vocabulary thing here. The vertex of an absolute value graph. What a vocabulary term. That is the turning point of the graph of an absolute value function. Now that sounds very complicated, but actually all it means is it's this point right here. That's it. It's when this graph, as it goes down, there's a turning point right there. This turning point is the vertex. That's the vertex of the absolute value graph. And it's notated with 2 points called HK. And those points are found in this equation right here. There's your H and there's your K. But now, one thing to be aware of is the H and K. Notice this right here. This changes things a little bit. People make this mistake all the time. If the equation were y equals a times the absolute value of x plus 2 plus 2, that number would be a minus 2 here and a plus 2 here, because this number is the opposite of what this is. Now, very important to understand, this a here has a lot of influence on the absolute value function. A lot of influence. Because the graph opens up. Notice it opens up here. It opens up. It's up here. If a is greater than 0. Now the graph opens down if a is less than 0. Notice it goes down. Negative number. That's all it means. A negative number will cause that graph to invert. Oops. Next, the graph is going to be wider. See how wide it is? It's going to be wider if the A is less than 1. These are 4 very important factors here. And the graph is narrower if A is greater than 1. Now, narrow implies smaller, but don't let it fool you. It's when A is greater than 1. Made that mistake myself. I tend to forget that rule.